Unveiling the secrets of pigmented eyeshadow. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of makeup, specifically focusing on pigmented eyeshadow. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just starting to explore this vibrant aspect of English vocabulary, this video will illuminate what makes pigmented eyeshadow a must-know term in both the beauty industry and everyday conversation. Let's unravel the mystery together. First off, let's break down the term pigmented. In the simplest terms, pigmented means something that is colored or contains color. When we apply this to makeup, pigmented products are those with a high level of color intensity or concentration. This means they can provide a bold, vibrant look with just a small amount of product. Moving on to eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is a cosmetic that is applied on the eyelids and under the eyebrows. It's used to add depth, dimension, and color to the eyes, enhancing their appearance. Eyeshadows come in various forms, including powders, creams, and pencils, offering a range of finishes from matte to shimmer. So, what makes pigmented eyeshadow stand out? Pigmented eyeshadows are praised for their rich color payoff and longevity. This means they can create more dramatic and lasting looks without the need for constant reapplication. For makeup artists and enthusiasts, pigmented eyeshadows are essential for creating everything from everyday looks to artistic and bold statements. Using pigmented eyeshadow can be a game changer, but it also requires some know-how. Here are a few tips. Start with a primer to ensure your eyeshadow stays in place and the color pops. Use the right tools, like brushes or sponges, for application and blending. Build up the color gradually to achieve the intensity you desire without going overboard. Remember, blending is key to a seamless look, so take your time to blend the edges and transitions between colors. We hope this exploration of pigmented eyeshadow has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English language learning journey. Makeup terms like these are not only useful for beauty enthusiasts but also offer a fun way to expand your vocabulary and cultural understanding. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep experimenting with your English and your eyeshadow.